try my first DIY spot welding to spot copper, which is 0.2. Yeah, but this is 0.2. It's a 0.2. This is 0.15. Yeah, that's it. I'll start on the max power 100% and level 2. Well, didn't do it. Just before. It didn't stick. So at level 4, try at level 6. Still do nothing. Try it at level 8. Stick a little bit, but not strong enough. Then level 10. Well, stick, but not strong enough. Level 12. Well, super heat, too much heat, and still didn't stick. Try 14. Well, nothing has changed. Now at 16, the copper and the nickel strip stick together. We'll cut this one. So 18. Well, seems like the overcurrent because nickel strips turn into dark. The color of the spot mark contradict to the color of the nickel strip, and still nothing happened. So level 20. Well, it's too hot. And then nickel strip and the copper stick firmly together. At level 20. Fortunately, it didn't stick to the plate. 22. Well, it increased a little bit. not strong enough. But between the nickel strip and the copper, there's good result. So 24. Still nothing. And 26. Wow, the result seems good. Nickel strip and the copper stick to the plate at level 26, hoping that the result is good. Well, not strong enough, but stick, it shows improvement. 28. Really understand. At level 26, the nickel strip and the copper stick to the plate. At level 28, nothing. So maybe due to the efficiency of the transformer keeps changing. So 30. Think so. This one stick to the plate because the spot mark shows a big discoloration. I'll try to tear up. Yeah, it's stick, but not strong. $32. This is a level 32, which nothing has changed. Try once more, up to 50. So this is 0.15 nickel strip, 0.15, and 0.2 copper. $34. Nothing happened, and then the nickel strip, it's about to burn. Well, still nothing. So 36, too much heat, not good for the battery. But on the plate, it's normal. Nothing happened on it. Too much current, but cannot penetrate to the current cannot penetrate to the copper. It only burns the nickel strip. 38, and I will reduce the power 90. Well, tips. Nothing done to the go back to the 100%. Then 40. The max running time is up to 50. What if I adjust it to 80? Nothing's done. It's the same. 70. And then 45. Nothing. 75. Nothing. 80. But too hot. 50 max at 80. Nothing. So this spot welding cannot weld together the copper and the nickel strip. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.